Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey from slimandstylish.com here. Today I'm demonstrating the Free as a Bird Cling Mount stamp set from Stampin' Up. This is new in the new catalogue and I can't count how many times I have seen these cute birds just popping up everywhere. It's adorable. Today I've decided to try and do a different card with them. I'm going to do a silhouette card with them. I've been doing these a lot lately and I really enjoy them. And you need my favourite post-it notes. I think every crafter should have post-it notes. I'm lining it up, so I'm just creating myself a little panel and I'm just using some spare grid paper because you know me, I hate to get my workspace messy. OCD Halsey. I'm using StazOn ink just to ink them up nice and dark and making sure I get a clear impression with them. And then I'm going to use my black Stampin' Blends to colour them in. Now they're all coloured, I'm coming in with my inks. So for this I'm using the new Peacock ink. I love this, Pretty Peacock. I'm also going to be using Seaside Spray, which is also a new ink colour. And then I'm going to be using the top one, which is Mint Macaron, one of my favourites, just to create this lovely sort of evening-y type look. I'm going to keep going and merging the colours into each other until I'm satisfied. Now that's done, I'm going to bring my StazOn back in and pop in the sentiment. Thanks for being you, because these cards are going to customers who have purchased with me this month. I'm going to stick them onto the black background before putting them onto my Tentfold card and then applying adhesive sequins. I love that these are carried over. So easy to use, so simple. I much prefer them to the loose sequins I used to have. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the card. If you want to know more about this technique, I do have some more in detail videos with the blending. But I've done them quite a bit recently, so I thought you'd all get the hang of it, and that's why I put the music over the top. I hope you enjoy your day, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my blog, slimandstylish.com. Thanks for joining me. See you all soon. By the way, if you would like a new annual catalogue, just let me know at slimandstylish@live.co.uk or leave me a comment on this video and I'll pop one in the post for you. Bye!